Hi, Lester. It's your special day. Golden boy ka na. Welcome to the club. Sobrang yaman mo na. Ginintuan ka na ngayon. So, I just want to wish you very, very happy birthday. And I wish you all the best. My prayers for you is that God will continue to bless your life with good health, with joy and happiness. Siyempre, peaceful, more loving years with your beautiful wife, my sister Jen, and your family, beautiful family. And sana maraming gifts, surprises, and many returns of the day. Yeah, enjoy your special day. Enjoy the rest of your life. Alam ko naman na you're always happy and you're enjoying your life to the fullest with your travel goals and with your family. So, ayun lang. Sorry kasi wala kaming video greetings. Hindi kami nakagawa, kaming family, kasi hindi kami nagkakasama-sama simula nung dumating ako galing Philippines. Siyempre medyo sad pa rin. Pero, it's your happy day. Kaya, kakantahan kita. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday! So enjoy your special day and thank you so much for everything that you have done to our family, especially sa aking mga kapusod, sa pagtulong mo. I will never forget it and I will always be thankful and grateful for you. So, maraming salamat.
Happy birthday, Lester! Mag-iingat ka lagi at sana'y mahaba pang iyong buhay.
Happy birthday po, Tito Lester. God bless.
Hi, Kuya Lester. You have achieved everything in your life now, so we just wish you good health, for you to spend more with your family, and more travels or adventures, and what else?
And we hope you continue to have a successful career in order to allow you to help more people.
That's it. Happy birthday, Kuya Lester. Thank you for everything.
Happy birthday, Kuya Lester.
Hello Lester, happy birthday to you and more birthdays to come. Wish you all the best. Miss you, love you. Thank you.
Hello, Lester. Kumusta? Dito Rito. Happy birthday. 50 ka na. Kumusta yung mga bata? Sila Jenny. Sana lagi kayong nasa mabuting kalagayan. Hello.
Happy birthday,
Happy
Ter!
birthday.
Kumusta sa inyong lahat, yung mga bata dyan? Jen, kumusta? Ingat kayo lagi dyan. Happy birthday, Ter. Ter.
Hi po sa inyo lahat. Happy birthday ko, Lester.
Okay.
Hi, Kuya Lester and Ate Jen. Happy birthday, Kuya Lester. And sana umuwi kayo ng Pampanga soon. We miss you here. Hi, Kuya Lester, Ate Jen. Ingat po kayo dyan. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday! Ingat
Birthday!
kayo.
Lester, happy birthday. How old are you now? Sana marami pang birthday ang dumating sa buhay mo. Wala kang karamdaman, malakas ang katawan. Lester, happy birthday.
Hi, Kuya Lester. Happy 50th birthday. Wishing you good health to you and to your family. Ingat kayo lagi dyan. Miss na namin kayo. Love you. God bless.
Hi Kuya, happy birthday. Maraming
birthdays pa po, and sana po lagi kayong masaya, and sana po mas marami pa pong opportunities sa buhay na darating sa inyo, and mas marami pa pong kaligayahan. Ingat po palagi. Happy birthday ulit.
Hi, Lester. How are you? Kumusta na kayo? Alam ko, malapit na birthday mo. Happy birthday. Marami ka bang handa sa birthday mo? Punta ako dyan, ha? Punta ako dyan. Sama ko si mami mo.
Happy birthday, Kuya. May your birthday filled with joy and blessings. Wish you good health. Ingat.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to the birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Tito Lester. God bless you. Ingat.
Happy birthday, Tito Lester. Sana marami po kayong, maayos po yung buhay ninyo po. Maraming happy birthday po. Happy birthday, Tito Lester. Mahal po kayo lahat.
Happy birthday, Lester. More birthdays to come. And always be happy. Enjoy your birthday. And God bless you always. Love you.
1, 2, 3, go.
Happy 50th birthday po, Tito Lester.
Happy 50th birthday, Kuya Lester. Good health and more birthdays to come. May God continue to shower you more blessings. We love you. Happy birthday.
Love you po. Happy birthday.
Happy 50th birthday, Tito Lester. We love you.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kuya Lester. God bless.
Kuya Lester, happy birthday. Continue whatever makes you happy. And cheers!
Kuya Lester, happy birthday. I wish you more blessings and more fortunes so that you can travel a lot more with your family. And again, happy birthday to you. Cheers! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hi! Happy 50th birthday, Tito Lester. Wish you good health and more blessings to you and your family. I wish that you stay happy and continue being the hardworking father you are. Happy birthday again! See you soon in the Philippines. We love you!
Hello, Kuya. Kumusta? I would just like to greet you a very happy birthday. And now that you have reached your 50th year, as they say, 50 years is the golden age of happiness. I know that you have found your happiness in life by having your beautiful wife and children with you, having a good career there in Ireland. All I can wish for on your special day is more happiness, more travel with your family, of course, good health. And we're also hoping to see you very soon. Again, a very happy birthday and enjoy your special day.
Hi, hello. Happy 50th birthday, Lester. Anak, 50 ka na. Pero wala pa si itsura. Gwapo pa rin. Ang wish ko sa birthday mo, sana maging maganda pa ang buhay mo. Lalo na sa mga anak mo. Alam ko, good provider ka. Madiskarte ka din. At saka ang wish ko rin sa buhay mo, gusto ko laging maganda health mo. Bawal magkasakit. Sana itong birthday mo na to maging masaya ka. Kasi masaya din kami dito dahil 50 ka na. Happy birthday anak. And more birthdays to come to celebrate. Happy birthday. I love you.
Hi Lester, happy birthday. Happy 50th birthday. Marami ka bang bisita? Wish ko sa'yo, matupad mo pa yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay. Guminhawa ng lalo ang buhay nyo. At huwag mong pababayaan ang pamilya mo dyan. At thank you rin sa mga supportang binibigay nyo sa amin ni Mami at ng mga katropa naman at tropa mo dyan. Happy birthday na lang. Ingat kayo lagi dyan. We love you.